Live midsize to the fullest in the Volkswagen Passat. The Passat is designed to help out and be family-friendly thanks to a standard blind spot monitor and available VW CarNet that lets you connect with your car. Don't pass up a chance for greater peace of mind. Driver assistance features can help give you more confidence on your drive. With 7 stability-enhancing features, a rigid safety cage, and active safety features, it's easy to see what matters to us. With its refined styling, the Passat has what it takes to make you rethink the family car while putting the fun into functional. The Passat proves that driving is more fun with the right amount of power. Visit us today for more information on the all-new Volkswagen Passat.